Okay, hey guys. So, I just finished up the third installation of flashcards, I believe. So we're going to make more. We're not going to make all these. We're just going to do 1 to 10. And we're going to do 10 to 20 and 21, 22. And then we're going to do we're going to do the ordinal numbers, which are like first, second, third, fourth. And then we're going to do the bigger ones like 100, 101, just so that whoever's setting the flashcards can get an idea of how to say things like 31, 32, 331, 332, etc. Okay. I guess they don't have a very long retention rate in their app and the code. So, I need to edit this. No. Okay. Right. Excuse me here. Just having a little trouble. Edit set. Okay. All right. So 0, null, and nada. 0. Uno is 1. If the language would have been in English Creole and uno were a word, it would mean y'all. Because in Bahamian Creole, Gullah Geechee, which is a Creole spoken in South Carolina on the Sea Islands, Jamaican Patois, and some other English-based Creoles, maybe even Shran and Tongo, I don't know. Those languages actually use the word unu for you all, for what they say boso or basalt in Cape Verdean Creole. So it's interesting that that they did that. So uno, dos is 2. People may not even need that. Tres is 3. Quater. People may actually need that because it's not cuatro. It's quater. 4. And cinco. Cinco is 5. Cinco. Or cinco. 5. 6 is 6. 7 is not siete, as many people may think, or even it's more similar to Portuguese. It's sete. I believe the H's are actually pronounced in this language. Because in this, the reason why I say that is because basing everything on here, it says that the H here, and this says, it claims it's IPA, right? So ha to cha, because the X is a cha in IPA, is like an H in hill. So if H is really pronounced that way, then it's sahete. Assuming that's, I messed that up here. Assuming that's the case, sahete would be 7. And going back to where we were at, we were at the numbers, yeah. And 9 is nueve with a B. Nueve. Not nueve. Sometimes it can be hard because this is actually with a straight B. So 9 or 9. And the words for 11 to 20 11 to 14, 11 to 15 are going to be a little bit different. So, 10 is 11. 2 is 12. 3 is 13. 3. 4 is 14. 5 is 15. Do they have 2 S's? Yes, they do. 15 or 15. So I think people are going to be able to get the point here that 15, 16, etc. is the same. I'm just going to do 16 here, so 16 is clear to people. 16. And then 7, 18, 19, 20. It's not 20, 20. Like if you're getting a venti at Starbucks. It's funny how they say that. And then they have a larger size. They have a 30 size at Starbucks as well, which is 30. So it's interesting to me. I'm like, what if you wanted to order a bigger size and it's and it's you? You're like, hi, can I get a mocha latte in a 40 size? I've always thought about doing that just to screw with the people there, but so 20, and then 21 would be, or is it it's 21, right? Because 21 is 21. It's actually 2 words here according to the lesson. 22. 23, just to show people the examples here that we're going to do. No, not 23. What? I don't know what that is. 23. So 23. 30 is 30. 30. It's 30. 40 with a C, so it's spelled just like Spanish. Okay, so Aruban Papiamento spelling was created and regulated based on Spanish spelling. So 40 is 40. 50. So 50 is 50. 50, 60. They may or may not be almost. Some of them are very similar to Portuguese as well. Some of the numbers are exactly the same. And then 70 is 70. 80 is 80. But it's 80 in Portuguese. And 90 with a B. and cien. I don't know if there's a ciento or not, but the example they give doesn't have a ciento. Ciento, dos cien, 200, dos cien un, for 201, 1,000 is mil. And dos mil is 2,000, 2001, so dos mil veintidós is 2022, just to give people an example of this. And that is the numbers here. So I'm going to end the lesson here. I just wanted to do all the numbers in one. Honestly, I think that based on what we've done today, this is going to cover day 5 worth of lessons. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this, seeing these flashcards we made, and I hope that you guys use the flashcards. Thank you guys for watching.